Hey there, gearheads and DIYers. If you love working on cars, you already know that having the right tools can make the difference between a quick fix and a frustrating day in the garage. Whether you're a weekend tinkerer or a full-time mechanic, today's list is packed with 10 essential car tools that every mechanic or DIY enthusiast needs. From powerful wrenches to precision testers, these are some of the best tools you can grab right now on Amazon. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Robustrew Impact Wrench. When it comes to loosening stubborn bolts, the Robustrew Impact Wrench is an absolute beast. This cordless powerhouse delivers high torque output, perfect for tires, lug nuts, and any heavy-duty automotive work. With its brushless motor, you get more power, less noise, and longer battery life. Plus, the ergonomic grip and compact design make it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. Whether you're changing tires or assembling suspension parts, this tool gets the job done faster and smoother. Check the link in the description to learn more or grab yours now. Number 2. OTC Compression Tester. Next up is the OTC Compression Tester, an absolute must for diagnosing engine health. This kit lets you quickly check cylinder compression on gasoline engines, helping you detect worn valves, piston rings, or leaking head gaskets. It features high-quality fittings and a durable pressure gauge for accurate readings every time. The flexible hose and quick connect fittings make testing straightforward and mess-free. If you want to know what's going on under your hood without guessing, this tool is a game changer. You'll find the link in the description to get your own compression tester today. Number 3. AUTOOL Fuel Pressure Tester. Troubleshooting your fuel system? The AUTOOL Fuel Pressure Tester is exactly what you need. This kit provides accurate and real-time readings of your fuel pressure, helping you pinpoint issues with fuel pumps, regulators, or injectors. It's built with durable brass fittings, a clear dual-scale gauge, and comes in a convenient carrying case. Whether you're tuning performance or diagnosing fuel delivery issues, this tester ensures precision and safety. Reliable, easy to use, and built for professionals, AUTOOL makes diagnostics a breeze. Check the link below to learn more or grab this handy kit now. Number 4. Motivx Mechanics Creeper. Let's face it, working under a car isn't exactly comfortable. That's where the Motivx Mechanics Creeper comes in. With its ergonomic design, padded headrest, and 6 smooth rolling wheels, you'll glide easily under any vehicle. The heavy-duty steel frame supports a solid weight capacity, while the low-profile design keeps you close to the action. It's perfect for oil changes, inspections, and any repair that requires sliding under the chassis. Plus, it folds for easy storage. Once you try it, you'll never go back to lying on cold concrete again. Grab yours using the link in the description. Number 5. Tool 4 PCs, Snap Ring Pliers. Precision matters, and the Tool 4-piece Snap Ring Pliers set delivers just that. Designed for both internal and external retaining rings, this set features high-carbon steel construction for durability and non-slip ergonomic handles for comfort. You'll get 4 interchangeable tips, perfect for a wide range of automotive and mechanical applications, like transmission work, bearing maintenance, and gear assembly. If you've ever struggled with stubborn snap rings, this set will make your life a whole lot easier. Find the link in the description and add this must-have set to your toolbox today. Number 6. Motivx Oil Filter. Wrench oil changes just got easier with the Motivx Oil Filter Wrench. This professional-grade wrench is designed to fit perfectly with most Toyota and Lexus vehicles, but it also works with many other brands. Made from precision-machined aluminum, it offers a secure grip without damaging the filter housing. The fluted cup design ensures maximum torque transfer, while the anodized finish adds durability and corrosion resistance. It's one of those tools you'll reach for again and again. Click the link in the description to check current prices or grab one today. Number 7. Jastened test light electrical issues? No problem. The Jastened test light helps you quickly identify power, ground, and circuit issues like a pro. It's built with a super bright LED so you can easily see results, even in low light conditions. The stainless steel probe ensures durability, while the long, flexible cord gives you plenty of reach. Perfect for testing fuses, switches, and wires, it's a compact yet powerful diagnostic tool every mechanic should keep handy. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this test light makes troubleshooting simple. You'll find the link in the description. Grab yours now. Number 8. Orion MotorTech Bearing Puller. Set for tackling tough jobs like removing bearings, bushings, or gears. The Orion MotorTech Bearing Puller set is a lifesaver. It includes hardened steel components, ensuring durability and reliability under high tension. The variety of adapters and puller arms lets you handle different sizes and setups with ease. Whether you're restoring a classic car or working on everyday maintenance, this set helps you do it safely without damaging surrounding parts. It's a professional-grade kit for a fraction of the price. Check the link below to grab yours and make your next repair a breeze. Number 9. Orion MotorTech Ball Joint Press Kit. If you've ever had to replace ball joints or U-joints, you know how challenging it can be. The Orion MotorTech Ball Joint Press Kit takes the hassle out of the job. This heavy-duty set includes forged steel components and a C-frame press that provides powerful leverage. It works on a wide range of vehicles, SUVs, trucks, and sedans. With its versatile adapters, you can easily remove and install ball joints, bushings, or brake anchor pins. Durable, efficient, and beginner-friendly, this kit pays for itself in one use. Grab yours now using the link in the description. Number 10. Yonhan Battery Charger. Finally, every mechanic's garage needs a reliable battery charger, and the Yonhan Smart Charger is one of the best around. It features intelligent charging technology that automatically detects battery type and adjusts the current accordingly. It works with both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries, protecting against overcharge, short circuits, and reverse polarity. The LCD display shows real-time charging status, while the winter mode ensures optimal performance even in cold conditions. Keep your batteries healthy and ready to go with this dependable tool. Check the description to learn more or pick up this charger today. And there you have it, 10 essential car tools every mechanic or DIYer should own. From powerful impact wrenches to diagnostic testers and precision pliers, these tools will make your repair jobs faster, easier, and a whole lot more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which tool you're adding to your collection next. Thanks for watching and happy wrenching!